Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about free online tool. And in today's video, I will show you how to convert HEIC file to JPEG file or for free, whatever photo you might think of using online free tool. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your browser. Then you want to make sure you come to the address bar and then go ahead and visit this particular website, Cloud Convert. Go ahead and click on it. And the next thing you want to do is on the first result, which is cloudconvert.com. So go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take you right here. So, and next thing you want to do right here is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on tool. So under the tool, you have different tool right here. So what we want to do here is to see how we navigate to simply come to right here and navigate to image converter right here. So go ahead and click on image converter. Then here we go. Now you have different formats. Cloud Convert your image file online, amongst many others. We support JPEG, PNG, GIF, web, and HEIC file. So what we want to do here is to go ahead and we make sure we click on any right here. So we want to make sure that we choose image. So we want to choose HEIC right here, and then we are converting to JPEG. So we have to move to any right here again, and then we go to image, and then we make sure we choose JPEG right here, just like so. Next thing we want to do is to come down below right here. We make sure we drag or upload our file. So for that, I have a file in the folder right here. So I will just go ahead and bring out the file right here. So this is the file I want to use as an example HEIC file. Just drag the file and drop it into the web right here. So you can see the file format here is a file. And the next thing we want to do is come down below right here. Go ahead and click on convert. Click on convert right here. So once you click on convert, it's going to start generating and convert your image. Now you can see the image has been successfully converted to JPEG right here. So we have to make sure we scroll down right here and we simply click on download. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and we choose save file. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about free tools like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.